Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Dollar Tree craft haul video. So I picked up a few items at Dollar Tree. Some of the items I'm going to share with a crafty friend, but I wanted to let you see what I got. So of course, I know you guys have all seen the pop dot tapes. Do you use this tape? What do you think about it? I like using it. It looks like there's a lot on each row, but it seems to go by you seem to use it up pretty fast. And why do they call it pop dot? I don't know. It's no dots involved. So this is the 3-piece Crafter Square pop dot tape. Next up are these cute little round wood beads. You get 15 in each bag. I plan on making some decor, I think, with these. We're going to see how they look. This is the same color as my tier tray, and I thought using some other different colored beads would be really pretty with this. So we're going to see how this turns out. That's 15 piece. And next up is this 11-piece sticker set. I really like this one. I really like that center piece. And then these would be really pretty to make like a, like you're highlighting something. Photo edges, I guess what they're kind of called. And then this one, it's pretty also. So super cute sticker set. And then next up are some more stickers. I just kind of went crazy with the leaves here. So we have this 9-piece set, and it's kind of dimensional. Really pretty. Really like that one. And then this set, once again, really pretty ivy looking leaves. Just really pretty leaves. Only thing is they have a little bit of glitter on them, and I wish they didn't have the glitter, but I'm gonna work with it. Some more pretty leaves. Love that one. And that one. Really pretty. And then we have this set. Once again, super pretty. Love this and that. And then last but not least, I think this is my favorite one. These are super green. Really pretty. I think I've said that on each one. Love that one. And that one. And that one. So this is 9-piece set. The pop-up, they're calling them from Crafter Square stickers. And then I purchased these stickers here. These are really kind of thick, like they're trying to maybe be kind of close to chipboard, but not quite that thick. But look at that sweet little bird and that flower, and it's beautiful. And together, these are Happy Days. Really pretty. And that's, that's in the middle there, so you don't have to use that inside there. 16-piece. Really cute. So I saw another crafter. She bought this standard grip mat, and here's the covering. It's an adhesive grip mat, kind of like you put in your Cricut Joy, but she said she was going to use it in her Misty, so I thought I would try it. So instead of using the magnets, you can put this in your Misty and stick your paper to that and not have it move around while you're stamping. It's almost the exact same size of the Misty, just really short, but just super short, of being the full length. But I think this is gonna work, so I can't wait to try it. So that's my Dollar Tree haul. Let me know what you think of the stickers. Do you think I went leaf crazy? So many leaves here. So many. So let me know what you think below. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and consider subscribing. If you like the content of this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.